Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the most fascinating luxury lifestyle. Today, we'll be discussing the top 10 biggest mansions in the world. While people buy houses or manage to stay in rooms and apartments, there are people on another scale that enjoy acquiring properties in large estates big enough for a village just for the beauty of owning it. Number 10. Hala Ranch, Colorado, USA. This 95-acre estate features a 56,000 square foot mansion with 15 bedrooms, a pool house, and a separate guest house. It was previously owned by Saudi Prince Bandar bin Sultan. Number 9. The Manor, Los Angeles, USA. Built in 1991 by producer Aaron Spelling and currently owned by Petra Stunt, the Manor features 56,000 square feet of living space, 14 bedrooms, a bowling alley, and a movie theater. Number 8. Villa Leopolda, Cote D'Azur, France. This historic mansion has about 80,000 square feet in space and sits on over 20 acres of land. Features 19 bedrooms, multiple pools, and a beautiful garden. It has hosted many famous guests over the years, including Walt Disney and the Duke and Duchess of Windsor. Number 7. Witanhurst, London, UK. This Georgian-style mansion covers over 90,000 square feet and is rumored to have over 65 rooms. It was originally built in the early 20th century and has undergone several renovations over the years. Number 6. The One, Los Angeles, USA. Currently under construction, the One will be the largest mansion in the United States when completed. It will feature over 105,000 square feet of living space, a nightclub, and an infinity pool. Number 5. The Pinnacle, Montana, USA. Located in the Yellowstone Club, the Pinnacle is a ski-in/ski-out mansion that features over 100,000 square feet of living space. It includes a private ski lift, indoor pool, and multiple hot tubs. Number 4. Fairfield Pond, the Hamptons, USA. The sprawling estate covers over 63 acres and includes a 110,000 square foot main house, multiple guest houses, and a bowling alley. It was previously owned by billionaire investor Ira Rennert. Number 3. Antilia, Mumbai, India. With over 27 stories and 400,000 square feet of living space, Antilia is the largest private residence in the world. Owned by Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani, the mansion boasts a range of luxurious amenities, including a movie theater, swimming pool, and spa. Number 2. Kensington Palace Gardens, London, UK. This exclusive street in central London is 484,000 square feet and is home to many mansions, including several owned by billionaires. The most expensive property on the street reportedly sold for over $200 million in 2011. Number 1. Istana Nurul Iman Palace, Brunei. This is the official residence of the Sultan of Brunei and is the largest residential palace in the world, covering over 2 million square feet. It features 1,788 rooms, 257 bathrooms, and a 110-car garage. So there you have it, the 10 biggest mansions in the world. These incredible properties showcase the incredible wealth and opulence of their owners, but also highlight the vast wealth gap that exists in the world today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for most fascinating luxury lifestyle and travel spots. Share your comments with us and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of this amazing content.